Die da können wir momentan nicht brauchen, darum nehmen wir uns so den Revolver mit. Alles ist gut, wir bewaffnen uns nur, damit wir die Nial besuchen können. Grüezi!
Please come in, sir.
Danke, sehr nice, sehr nice. Bescheidene Hütte da.
He is big and as dumb as he looks. So these are the boys going to Caliga Hall?
Yes, we can take care of that for you, but one hates to be coarse. There is the question of money.
Oh, we've got money, Mr. Matthews.
You not worried about them greys?
In what sense?
Well, they knows you.
Yeah, maybe you're right. You know what? Here, I'll go hiding back. Drive this way. I'll show you how to get there.
Thank you, friend. Have a drink, Sean.
Nice to meet you, Sean.
Hamish.
Good to meet you, Hamish. Fine bit of country you've got here. Not as fine as Connemara, but fine nonetheless.
My people come from Scotland.
Is that right? And you and I are nearly brothers.
Wir haben den richtigen Mann mitgenommen.
Just over here. Yeah, straight down the path here. It's getting so I can barely keep track of all these deliveries coming in.
Yeah, when they said they was looking for more drivers in town, I jumped at the chance. I never been a feller to kick a bit of honest work out of bed. So, you folks been having a hard time of it, have you?
Yeah, Mr. Gray's got a heap of problems right now with another family around here. Bunch of covetous lowdowns trying to sabotage his livelihood. Disgusting.
Oh dear, I'm sorry to hear that, Hamish. Sounds like you definitely deserve that drink.
You don't know the half of it. Just in there.
Right you are.
Welcome home.
You can unload it here.
In here? Oh, the horse is like a swift one, do they?
Excuse me?
Nothing. It's grand. Quite a place you boys have got here.
Also aus dem Dach raus.
Big houses out in Donegal.
Schalte die Wache lautlos aus. Oh ja, oh ja, oh ja. Wollen wir das Wurfmesser? Da.
Fancy, because if some folks got all the money, they can build quite the fancy.
Wait, welches ist der unser Mann?
Well, the average man
So.
sups on shy. I'll open here till it gets dark.
Die fast schon den falschen Mann gekillt. Sorry, dass wir deinen Kollegen umtun haben. Deinen neuen Kollegen.
How you getting on?
Good. Nearly got these things ready.
Okay. There's plenty of guards out there. Here's how I feel we should deal with things. You head over to the dry barn.
Sure. And you?
I'm gonna deal with the fields themselves. We coat everything in moonshine, and then we light things up with these little fellers here. Thankfully, it ain't rained, and that old barn over there should go up like a torch.
How many of these boys you think you need?
This should do it. Let's head out the back. Look, once they get wind of us, there'll be no turning back, so move quickly.
Of course. I'm rebel stuff,
Aber lasst
boy.
was zuerst raus,
I
bitte.
was born burning down manor houses.
We'll burn quietly.
Danke, Sean.
Quiet. There's someone coming on the left.
Oh, hey. Well, I thought the wagon already arrived.
This one didn't.
Strange. So, what you got there?
Tools, payroll.
Okay. Drop it by the supply shed at the back of the fields.
Sure. See you later.
You hear that? Payroll.
Yeah. Let's get this job done first, okay?
I'll take care of this fella.
Perf.
Come on. You douse the fields. I'll meet you at the barn. And when you're done, shine them fields up good, all right?
Keep your head down.
Gut, gut, gut. Los, 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 los.
Next.
Stichern wir hinter dem Buddy dort durch. So. Okay, nice, okay, nice, okay, nice.
That's good for you.
Und oben rechts sehen ihr auch Prozent, wie viel das ich noch habe.
Should be enough for here.
Next. Oh verdammt, nein, 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 du wartest noch erst. Der andere kommt genau in unsere Richtung. Okay. Dicti. Dicti.
That should do it.
Okay, 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 okay. No, 45% haben wir. Schon recht ergiebig, die Flasche. Und die Schnaps auch. Gehst du weiter? Mate? Lauf! Junge! Kst. So. Ich glaube, da ist noch der letzte Spot, wo wir trinken müssen. Boah, das Zeug wird brennen. Lichterloh. Gut, gehen wir zurück zum Shiny Boy. Den Rest trinken wir. Ich will uns jetzt nicht verwischen. Nein, nein, auf den letzten Meter. Ja, musst du gerade da stehen bleiben, Mate? Einfach so gezieltes Wurfmesser. So. Sean?
gonna douse this too.
Genial, Sean. Genial. Genial.
Think she'll go, Arthur? Light her up.
Okay. Oh, jetzt. Jetzt gehen wir mal so
Light one of
richtig.
them bottles you got.
Okay. Molotov Cocktail. Und let's go! Okay, weg, 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 weg.
Woo! Would you look at that? Now let's go light yourselves a fat cigar. You ain't leaving here. Fuck! We'll hold this lot up. Somebody shoot him already! I'll kill you, you son of a bitch! You pay for this!
Da, Mann! Friss.
Come on, Arthur.
So, los. Da ist jetzt partiell suboptimal.
Let's light it up then. Come on. Come on. Throw another one. Make sure it all goes up. Grab some horses from the stable.
Nice!
Not right now. We got company. Look out!
Macht langsam Spaß. Macht langsam aber sicher Spaß. Doch, doch.
Where the hell are you running off to?
Viel Spaß beim Löschen mit. Oh, was ich krass schmeckt jetzt auf dieser Range nach Tabak. Danke.
Next one. You're gone. Ah! You
Son of a beep!
done it this time! This is bloody madness! What are you doing? There's only two of them!
Ja echt, wir sind das zweite, Leute. Irgendetwas machen die ja falsch. Die sind nicht so effizient.
Ready to bleed? They seem to be taking away.
Oh, apropos Effizienz.
This is a goddamn mess.
Blow their goddamn heads off! Shit!
Du darfst.
They didn't tell you there'd be an army of them?
They didn't tell me nothing!
Warte noch. Da wird nochmal einer sterben.
Hosea better get us paid real well for this.
Hey, right! Sons of bitches!
Da wird nochmal einer sterben.
Get down! This is what it's all about! Oh, Arthur!
Glad you're having fun.
Look out! There's more of them!
Das war doch geil gewesen, das hat doch Spaß gemacht.
There goes out right out of here.
So, wir, zwei wunderschöne, hübsche
The
Menschen,
wagon we saw coming earlier.
looten jetzt da
He
mal
nicked
noch
the
ein
horses
bisschen.
from that.
All right, where is it?
This way! Look out! Here
Ah.
come more of them! Almost! I'm hit! I got the red hand! Why aren't you shooting?
Schaffst du es?
Come on! More guard coming in! I'm in you! It's over for you!
Wo ist der Penner?
Winsley, we'll kill every pipeline in this town! Here we go!
Da, Mann, da ist er. Dort hängt das. Dort hängt das. Dort. Hallo, nimm deine Waffe führen.
Shoot him! God damn it!
Wo ist er? Jetzt ist er... Ah, da.
Come
Okay.
on!
Ey, Junge!
I'm gonna watch you run! I want them dead!
Da wollen wir alle. Da wollen wir alle. Glaub mir's, alle.
All you gotta do is shoot next! Nearly there!
Der Jean macht sie im Alleingang. Goldiger Ring. Das lohnt sich schon. Das lohnt sich schon. Das lohnt sich. Das lohnt sich. Danke.
All right, come on, we'll take those horses.
Yes! Wir können Pferd befreien.
Well, let's see if the payroll is
Wie?
actually in
Wie
there.
nur? Wie?
Hurry up.
Shire. Losschneiden.
Oh boy, we did good, Morgan. We did good.
Great, well, let's go.
Looky here, you get them horses free, Martha.
Warte auf Sean. Ich will beide losschneiden, nicht einfach nur eine. Ah, nice. Okay.
All right, let's get out of this shithole.
Okay, let's get the hell out of here.
Get the
Fast.
hell out of here.
You right, follow me.
I do. Nein, nicht das Feuer, nicht das Feuer, nicht das Feuer. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Nein! Der Sean ist tot. Der Sean ist gestorben. Gut, machen wir den nochmal.
All right, come on, we'll take those horses.
Gut, let it go.
Well, let's see if the payroll is actually in there.
Hurry up.
Komm, losschneiden. Benutze,
Oh boy,
ja.
we did good, Morgan. We did good.
Great, well, let's go.
Ja, echt?
Looky here, you get them horses free, Martha. Come on.
Los. Lass mich, okay, gut.
Come on.
Ja!
All right, let's go.
So,
Follow me.
jetzt machen wir das ein bisschen anders. Ja. Nein.
Don't
So.
slow down for nothing. We're going straight out the front gate.
Let's go.
Jesus, that turned into a right party.
You call that a party?
That Braithwaite had got our money's worth, all right.
Let's just get out of here
Du
first.
Hurenfeuer, lecker mio.
Get up.
Es brennt. Ich war da.
Ja.
Los.
I think we lost them.
That we did.
Quite a night.
Sure.
Interesting little fight Dutchess put us into the middle of here.
I hope him and Jose are right and that there's some money at the end of it.
Denke ich schon.
Well, what now?
Head on back to camp.
Gehen wir zum Lager.
You coming?
Kommen wir mit? Wir kommen mit.
Sure.
Das ist doch cool. Dann würde ich sagen, Leute, das war's für heute. Schön, dass ihr mit dabei gewesen. Wenn es euch gefallen hat, würde ich mich um einen Daumen nach oben freuen. Schreibt eure Gedanken gerne in den Kommentar. Aber nicht vergessen. Und dann sehen wir uns beim nächsten Mal. Okay. Tschüss. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Ciao.